A renovation is all about talking to a client to find out what it is they want to achieve from change in their kitchen. Some people, all they're looking to do is change the frontals, change the counters, change the backsplash. Other people, they want us to come in and just treat it as if it's a blank canvas, take out corner pantries, knock down walls, and a complete transformation. Choosing the right designer is really important because you need a designer that's going to understand what you want to achieve. A designer that's going to listen to you and somebody that you can trust. This is your project, it's not the designer's project. So what we like to do with our clients is we interview them and find out what they want to store in their kitchen. We like to look at what a person's needs are. We want to make sure that they've got the right amount of drawers, the right storage solutions. If we want to give them a magic corner, if we want to give them a spice rack, we have all of those accessories which we can put into that kitchen for them. What makes a kitchen more functional is the way that we develop the storage and how you're able to access your items. For instance, we give lots of pots and pan drawers. You can access everything just by opening a drawer, put your hand in and reach what you want. Long gone are the days when you open up your doors and everything's piled behind everything else on a shelf. There are so many choices when it comes to your countertops. There's granite, there's quartz, there's laminate countertops, there's even recycled glass. Lots of options for you there. Come see us and we can show you all the different choices that you have.